Jai Hind dear student. Today I am here to discuss about the word problem starting from exercise 4.1. In my previous video I have told you about the nature of roots, that how can we check the nature of roots, where we have seen that when the value of d, which is given as b square minus 4ac, when the value of d is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct, that there are two distinct root came as answer. When the value of d is equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. In this case we get two equal roots, and when the value of d is less than 0, there no real root exists. In this case real roots are not possible. So these three cases we have seen that, and we have seen how to use the quadratic formula if the condition of root is already given, that when the roots are equal or when the roots are greater than 0, then how we can find the value of missing value k. In my previous video, that is the first video where we have discussed how to check the quadratic question. There I have solved some of the word problem also, how to form the quadratic question. In that, the one word problem, the equation was not visible. So I'll try to explain you that question again. And in that particular exercise, that is exercise 4.1, second question, second part, make it as homework so that you may try it at your home also, and you may try to solve so that you will able to understand that how can we form the word problem. So today's video will try to discuss rest of the three word problem once again, and I'll try to give you the solution also of it, because in four different exercises there are different word problem. So we'll try to solve all those word problem one by one. So starting from second question, first part, which is given as the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So area is 528 meters square, and it is given that the length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. It means whatever the value of breadth will be, value of length will be double of it plus added with 1 according to the statement. As length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth, we'll proceed according to the statement. Now we can assume any of the values x, either of the length or of the breadth. So here I am taking, let breadth be x. If you take breadth as x, length will automatically become 1 plus 2x, because breadth has been replaced by x. Now as you know that area is given as 528, and area formula is length into breadth, as it is a rectangular field. So that become x times 2x plus 1 equals to 528. So this become 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation which you will get according to the given condition. 2x into 2x into 2x, 2x square, x into 1x minus 528 equals to 0. Now I'll solve and get the value of x also. So till here I hope it is clear. So now equation is 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0. Well, either you will factorize or you may directly apply the quadratic formula. First get the value of a, b and c, and c is minus 528. Let's get the value of d first, which is b square minus 4ac. That becomes 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 528. As value of c is given as minus 528. That becomes 1 plus 4 to the 8, 8 8 the 64. 4224 plus 1, that becomes 4225. Its value of d, so under root d will be 4225 square root, and the value of the same is 65. So we get the value of d. So now x is given as minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. So minus b means minus 1, plus minus under root d means 65, by 2a means 2 into 2. So value of x is minus 1 plus 65 by 4, and value of x is minus 1 minus 65 by 4. So value of x from here, that becomes 64 by 4 equals to 16, and from here minus 66 by 4 minus 33 by 2. As the value of breadth cannot be negative, so we'll write it as breadth cannot be negative, therefore breadth is 16 meter and length is 2 into 16 plus 1, that become 33 meter. So this is your answer. So breadth is 16 and the length is 33. According to the condition, this will be the solution. So your first motive should be that how we can form a quadratic equation. If from the given word problem, if you will be able to form the quadratic equation, then it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to find the solution. So your main motive should be how to form a quadratic equation. Just focus that how we are forming the quadratic equation. So here the breadth is coming as 16 meter and length is coming as 33 meter. Do mention the unit also as it was given in the question. So this is the first part. Second part I have given you as homework. So second part you will do in your copy. I am now doing the third part. Third part is now, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So third part, and product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. We'll take it first. Let Rohan's age be x years, then Rohan's mother's age will be, as she is 26 years older than Rohan, so that become x plus 26. Now it's given that after 3 years both their ages will be increased by 3. So Rohan's age will after 3 years will be x plus 3 years, and Rohan's mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3, that become x plus 29 years. Now it is given that after 3 years the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So according to question, product of Rohan's age and her mother's age after 3 years will be 360. So this will be required quadratic equation. Now we'll open the bracket, x into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 29, 87. Now putting 360 on the left, x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. So this will be your required quadratic equation. So I'll write the equation on the top now. So it is coming as x square plus 32x minus 273. Value of a is 1, b is 32, and c again is given in negative minus 273. So again I am repeating once again, Rohan's age is x, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than Rohan, so that become x plus 26. Product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So first we will get it known what will be their ages after 3 years. So Rohan's age will be x plus 3, then Rohan's mother's will be x plus 29. And according to condition, product of their ages is 360. So we will get the equation x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. Now we'll solve for x. As in question, it is required to know the age of Rohan's mother. Sorry, age of Rohan. So we'll apply now. First find the value of d, which is b square minus 4ac. That becomes 32 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 273. 32 square 1024, and this will become plus, and this become 1092. And then we'll do the sum of it. 4 to 6, 9 to 11, and this is 111. 54, 40. We'll now get the value of under root d. 2,111 plus 1 2. 2,116. Then it will be 48. 46. Yeah. Then the square root of the same will be 46. We can check it our answer also in the rough column. 2,116. 4 4 ja 16, 516, 8, 6 6 ja 36, 51. So the value of root d is 46. So x will be minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. That become minus 32 plus minus 46 by 2 into 1. So value of x is minus 32 plus 46 by 2, and value of x is minus 32 minus 46 by 2. From here you will get the value of x as 14 by 2, 7, and here x equals to minus 17 by 2 minus 39. And as you know that age cannot be negative, so I'll write the answer it now. As age cannot be negative, therefore Rohan's present age will be 7 years. This way you will get the value of Rohan. This is your second word problem of exercise 4.1. Again I will repeat the same thing. Just try to focus how to get a quadratic equation, and after getting the equation you can directly apply the quadratic formula and you will easily get your answer. So this is the second part. Third part. And second part is given as homework. Now I will come to the fourth part of it. The train travels at a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Here distance in both the cases remains same. Time is varying. As you know that time is given as distance by speed. So we will try to form our equation in the form of distance by speed only. So here distance is given as 480 km and speed is asked to find. Speed of train will take, let speed be x km per hour. So time taken T1 will be 480 by x, and according to question it is given that when the speed is 8 km per hour less, it means x minus 8, then the time would be 4 hours more to cover the 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So whatever the time he was taking earlier, when the speed is reduced by 8 km per hour compared to previous time, now he will take 3 hours more for the same distance. So that becomes t1 plus 3, as t1 is the time taken in the previous case when the speed was x km per hour. Now we'll put the value of t1 here. So 480 by x minus 8 equals to 480 by x plus 3. Putting all on one side, x minus 8 minus 480 by x equals to 3. Now here we'll take the LCM. I hope it is clear. We are going to form the equation in the form of distance by speed, as time is distance by speed. Distance is given as 480 km, speed I have taken it as x km per hour. So when the speed is x km per hour and he has to cover a distance of 480 km, so time taken will be 480 by x. Now when it says that when the speed is reduced by 8 km per hour, time is increased by 3 hours. So when the speed is reduced by x minus 8, time becomes previous time plus 3 hours more. So we get this equation. Now we will try to simplify this equation to get the value of x. So here, when you take the LCM, x times x minus 8, so that becomes 480x minus 480 times x minus 8 equals to 3. Now we will simplify 480x minus 480x plus 800 3840 equals to 3 times x square minus 8x. So 480x cancelled, and we'll simplify that becomes 3x square minus 24x minus, sending this towards the right side, 3840 equals to 0. We are seeing that 3 could be taken out as common, that become x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. So our equation now becomes x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Again, now we will get the value of d first. So first we will get the value of a is 1, b is minus 8 and c is minus 1280. So value of d is b square minus 4ac, that become minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1280. So that becomes 64 plus 400, that becomes 5120. And when you add, that becomes 5184. And then under root of d will be under root of 5184. So let's get the value of under root of 5184. 5184. 7 7s are 49. 284. 40. 2 times. So answer is 72. Under root of 5184 is 72. Now we will put the value of x. So x is given as minus b plus minus under root d by 2a, that become minus of minus 8 plus minus 72 by 2 into 1. So value of x become 8 plus 72 by 2, and x equals to 8 minus 72 by 2. So from here the value of x is 40 and from here the value of x is minus 32. We will conclude it as, since speed cannot be negative, therefore speed is asking speed of train. So speed of train is 40 km per hour. This will be your final answer. So this way you will solve the word problem. I have given second question, second part as homework. So you just try to solve the second question, second part as homework, and the rest third three part which we have already discussed in the first video. So here I have told you the solution also, that how you are going to find the solution. Although we have discussed the second part also, so do try to solve the second part once again and try to find the answer of it. So that if you solve the maximum number of questions, if you try to understand the word problem, it will be easier for you to form the quadratic equation of any word problem. So this is all about in today's class. I'll discuss the word problem of second exercise in our next class. Till that time, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you and Jai Hind.